So, what's up? Making a YouTube video right now because I don't know what to do. So I just got this brand new Cabela's target spinning thing, and I have my Glock BB gun, so we're gonna shoot it. Also, yes, it is snowing, and it's cold. Just got this loaded up, so we're gonna get some footage of me shooting it. Got BBs in it, everything's all good. So I did some shooting on it. I didn't record him, but that's my spread on that target. I hit high and I hit one bullseye. Yeah, this is all spread around. I nicked the metal here. Oh, I kept on hitting high on this. Got two bullseyes on this. It's holding up pretty well. It's not bad, I like it. I think that'll wrap up our YouTube video today. I really liked it. Very good product from Cabela's, or Bass Pro. I got a Bass Pro, but it's a little Cabela's. Yeah, if I hit this with a high caliber, this would actually like spin fully. But it's not bad. There's the spread. Hit it here a couple times. It's here. Nice one. Yeah, I really like it. Bye, YouTube.